Welcome to Supertuner.
Later, guys. All right, everyone. We're going on a road trip. We're gonna tell you where we're going in a minute. It's finally snowing. And we're going somewhere where there's no snow instead of snowboarding. We're still gonna go shred. Hang out with some friends. Buddy, what happened?
I forgot to turn my fans on for that whole run.
So we just gotta get the car unloaded, load all the camera gear, wait for Bryce, and then we're going. Road trip. Do a drift for the boys, dude. Do a drift. Snow drift for the boys. Don't tell Bryce. He might think the Legacy GT drifts, but it don't drift like the Fit.
Jordan wants to show me what's up on drifting. Let's see what he can do in the Fit. Oh, almost hit the mailbox. V-Tech. That one was alright.
You see me drag that wall like Jerry though?
That's like almost rammed the mailbox.
I had it though. They put these cones out to drift. All right, we're on our way. Vegas Drift, here we come. Pro drift tip by people who don't drift. When you're drifting with coffee, always use your drift plug.
Plug it up.
Let me introduce you to Trapping in Japan, number 2. Cheers. All jokes aside, Bryce has literally never had a 5-hour
Never had a 5-hour energy. Oh, no, Mom, I'm not drinking caffeine. Gotta go. Bye.
Alright, we decided to take a detour and stop at the Scoundrels.
This is a certified hood classic.
Police just showed up at the Scoundrels. I'm not sure if I should be surprised, but we're out of here. We're going to Vegas Drift 2018.
Sunday, Sunday, Sunday.
Super stoked. Anytime you get to go to the racetrack is
It's a good day at the racetrack.
It's gonna be a blast. Let's see what we find today. What's up, dudes? Yo, what's up? We wanted to film your cars. Did it just start? Did we miss anything?
They're doing the parade lap right now.
Okay.
So it's just about to be finished.
Sick.
My car's battery was choked out, so it won't start right now. Hopefully we can get.
You know, Bryce and I are walking along. We see a sick Honda hatch. And what do you know? We're just
Bring it back to
Dude. So rad. So hyped on this thing right now. This thing is amazing. All the pink steering wheel. Utah props.
Utah props.
Looks real. pretty good, huh?
You want to talk about trailer dreams, okay? 2 ACs, 3 axles. On the track. Still has a rotary, mind you. So hopefully we can get some good sound for you guys. Dude, so how did you get this? Like, where did you come up on this car?
So I bought it from Falken.
Okay.
And their mechanics that work on this car and all their other cars posted it on their Instagram. And I was gonna buy an FC and then this, and I was like, fuck yeah, I'm getting an FD, like way better. And then ended up like, I would have bought the FC, but the guy kept lagging and lagging, and then this came up and I was like, sick. So it needed a lot of work because they haven't drove it since like 2008.
Really?
Yeah, so almost 10 years when I bought it. So it was a mission to get it back up to spec.
That's cool. So how long have you had this?
About a year and a half now.
Cool. Very cool.
This is my 8th trip with them.
8th?
Yeah.
Dude, sick. It's a blast.
It's a lot of fun.
North side, coolin' shorty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you was a lame boy,
fixed to weld it up and grind it down. So I think the gear's going out now.
Yeah, that's definitely a patch up.
Yeah. It was only supposed to last for one event, but I did the whole season on it.
Taking a rough hit.
Dude, we jumped. Because the GoPro was right here, bro. That footage has
the other car.
Banging straight up. I thought it was mine. Yeah, your car was mine. I'm hitting some missile car now, bro. If I already hit someone earlier and it's not gonna do any worse now. It like ripped the sun, ripped out of the sun.
Show us the carnage, dude, on the other car.
So, we already started with that in the beginning of the day. Now we have this. And that's about we got some of those paint up here. A little bit right here. And a love tap in the beginning.
Oh, that's where it all began. Could have been worse.
Could have been way worse. Good thing everyone's alright.
Yeah. Alright. They're taking care of getting it ready to get on the trailer. But literally, we caught tires and we caught air. I was in the passenger side when we hit, and we were flying for a little bit, came back down, broke we broke the rear subframe and had to get towed back in. It was insane, but no rips. This thing is so fast. So hopefully he can get it fixed and hit up his other events this year because he is shredding. But what actually happened is we popped out of third. Like basically in every run we were doing, it kept popping out, but it just happened at the wrong time when we were tandem, and then came up on each other's tires and launched. Noah, thanks, dude.
Dude, yeah, for sure.
For the fans.
It was a lot of fun. Cars broken, but.
I'm gonna be honest, Bryce is a hater. By my own. But there's been something growing on me. Yeah, it's a disease. And it's called a convertible. A convertible with a cage and Lambo doors. Convertible and Lambo doors. Hi Vegas, we love you.